Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can change theme in Messenger. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So first thing first, what you're gonna do is you're gonna be logging your account in the Messenger app. Once you do it, you're gonna be going over here like this in this particular chat, and then just choose the conversation that you want to change the theme of. So let's say I want to change the theme of this conversation, so I'm gonna go with this and go to the profile, and then over here you'll be having an option which says theme. Just go over here and then you can choose any theme from here. So I'm going to choose one simple theme. Let's say I'm going to choose this one and just select it, and now you can see the theme has been changed. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I will see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.